have late breakfast. Alright, I gotta get cooking because it's late. Huh, babe? I'm starving him over there. Hi, girlies and not so girlies. My name is Angie. Welcome back. I'm on a cooking video today. I haven't done one in a long time and you guys really liked it. So we're gonna do chilaquiles today. Red chilaquiles. I'm gonna do the lazy style. I know you guys are looking at me like, okay, this is really lazy. But when it's a Tuesday morning and you gotta be somewhere an hour later, ain't nobody got time to boil your chiles and put them in the blender. So this is your solution. If you guys don't know this, I don't know what to tell you. Salsa el pato. It's gonna be in the Hispanic aisle. It's about 60 cents per can. I'm gonna use 3 of them. Super spicy, so if you can't handle the spice, maybe tone it down with 1 tomato sauce. But yeah, this is what I use. This is what my mama has always taught me to use. Yes, I can do the fancy, and I have a friend, Dylan, that's gonna judge me for this. But this is quick and easy if you ain't got time to take out your blender and stuff. So anyway, salsa al pato, we're gonna do super quick, and a lot of people do different, but I'm gonna do and queso fresco and sour cream on top. So, and we want to get a little protein in, but not everyone does this, but we're gonna do an egg over it. So anyway, I'll show you all that. Don't judge my pot, my pan, whatever. That just means I really truly do cook, okay? I try to fix it, it just doesn't come out. I like to throw some onion in there so we can give it a little bit of flavor. And I'll leave the onion, the grilled onion, when we're frying the tortilla. Put a little bit of oil here on the pan and fry this onion. Medium high temperature here. Alright, so that should be enough. I like them kind of golden brown, a little more on the crispier looking side. Not crispy, but you know, a little bit more on the burnt side. So here I'm going to start frying the tortilla into this oil we have in here. So I've seen some people that cut it up, like my friends, I'll cut it up with like a knife in like perfect squares. I mean, my mom just taught me to cut it up like this. I feel like it's going to look the same. Like if you're going to cook it, it's not going to look like pretty little squares at the end of it. So if you need a little bit more oil, maybe throw a little bit more oil. This is olive oil I'm using here. That's why it looks green. So I like to kind of toss it in there a little bit and turn it with like the oil and stuff. Grab the rest of my tortillas. So, I mean, it's only me and my husband, so I guess kind of like estimate how much you would be making. Like if you're making for more than 2. I think this is enough for both of us. I'm gonna throw some egg in there too, so it should be good for us. Just kind of layer it in there right here. All right, so then we're gonna fry this until they're all kind of crispy. You don't want it too hard, obviously, but you want it crispy, and then it'll get soggy with the sauce too. So you know, I'm thinking that might not be enough for both of us, so I'm going to throw in like 2 more tortillas in here. So we're just going to let it sit for a little bit and fry. Let it sit. Don't mix too much because then it'll get all mushy looking. Because it's not hard yet. It's not fried yet. So I would say be careful when you're turning them. Like I said, you don't want it to be mush, but you want to make sure that they're all kind of toasty because you're not gonna want a raw, you know, cold tortilla on your plate. So see how this is golden brown? That's what you want. So it's kind of hard to get them all even like that. Yeah, mine are kind of getting mushy now. But it'll all be fine. If it looks like not right, it's okay. You're gonna throw salsa on top of it, sauce on top of this, so it's gonna bring it all together. And chilaquiles aren't supposed to look pretty. It's just supposed to taste good. So I'm trying not to use a lot of oil, but I think that's what's going on here. So a little bit dry. But I don't want to put too much oil because we're going to do sauce on top of this. Alright, so I think this is done. It's pretty well toasted on both sides. So I'm going to start throwing in the sauce in there. It's going to sound scary. I don't know if you're, for you people that don't cook often, it sounds like, oh my god. You'll be fine. Just doing that because the oil, the hot oil with the water and the sauce. But I might be okay with 2. Dang, I already opened another one up. I like my stuff saucy, but you'll see what's good for you. If you have more chilaquiles, you might need 3. It looks like I'm gonna be okay with 2. That's it for a little bit. I'm actually gonna turn it down because I don't need it to be this hot anymore. Alright, so that's that here, but you're gonna have to put yummy stuff on top of it, so I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, so like I said, everyone garnishes their chilaquiles different. We're gonna do queso fresco crema, which is like sour cream, and I did a little bit of pico. And we like to put egg on top of it to throw a little bit of protein in there. So that's what I was kind of taking my sweet time doing here. So we're gonna do some like that. And do more egg. So these are just over easy eggs. Oh. Do a little bit of cheese. Oh. A little bit of cheese on there. And I made some pico, so let's throw some on that. Over it. And dang, bomb. It looks like you're going to a gourmet breakfast place. Alright, this is my little plate. I don't like to have a lot, but I mean, you can have more or less. You can have some beans on the side. Whatever you want. Alrighty, girlies. That was it. Not too hard. That was kind of fast. I think it took me a little bit longer just to make the pico and the eggs, but that's how we eat it. That's how we make it. There's your chilaquiles. You can't even see it in the mountain of good stuff that we got on top of it, but yep, that was it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, share, and see you guys next time.